Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add columns in table. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to click the start button. If this is your first time in Droyo, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding columns in a table here in Droyo is a simple process, and we have a separate video for that, how to create a table here in the platform that you might want to check in our GPLabs channel. But in the very quick demonstration of that, I want you to click the section right here that says full screen on the upper right corner, so you can access the toolbar on the left side, and of course the format view on the right side. If you can't see this part right here, you might want to click the view section and click the format. All right, because from the shapes search bar, you might want to type in table and press enter. What will happen is you would have an access to multiple tables here. For example, we're going to be choosing a very basic table right here. Click that and drag it here. All right. If you want to add another column, all right. Now I'm going to rename this as row. I'm sorry, this is going to be this is going to be like rows. All right, and this is going to be like column. Kind of like that. Now for you to be able to add columns right here, this one, click on it, and there should be a small icon on the top corner where you can see the table. If you do that, if you click on it, you should be able to add 1, 2, 3, and a lot more. All right, so there's a lot of that you can work with. So basically, that's how you add columns here in Droyo. Now, if you want to add a manual, for example, manual column, you might want to choose another table here that is basic in nature. For example, this one right here. If you want, you can simply copy that and paste it here so you can have more freedom on it. You see, you have an option here to fill. If you want to create a different align, click on apply right here. You can do that. Click on apply, so you can be creative when adding columns here in Droyo. You're not limited with your imagination. I'm gonna put in a blue, and then from here you can put in a fill in color. For example, we're gonna pull a white, click on apply. You see that? Put in a gradient, for example, gonna be orange, click on apply. You see that? So you're kind of like putting maybe yellow, and then a gradient is gonna be like maybe a blue, so you can have a variation. All right, so this, knowing all these, putting in a gradient color, we're gonna fill in a different color for this, maybe a blue. So once you're happy with that, the columns that you added here in Droyo, you might want to go to the save button first to make sure that the updated file has been kind of like saved, and click on the export button to export it in different file formats. All right, these are going to be your options, and if you want to share this, click the share button on the top right corner, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.